Hello and welcome. Today, we're talking about a real power couple in the world of enterprise tech, SAP's Commerce Cloud and S/4HANA. We're going to break down how bringing these two platforms together can create one single, unified ecosystem for your whole business. Okay, let's dive right in.
Just think about this for a second. What if the website your customers see and shop on was perfectly, and I mean perfectly, in sync with your inventory, your supply chain, and all your financial data in real time? That's the core problem we're tackling today, how to bridge that gap between the front-end sales experience and the back-end engine that runs everything.
So here's our game plan. We'll start with the big picture vision of this tech combo. Then we'll properly introduce the two platforms. After that, we'll get into the good stuff, the real-world payoff. We'll even walk through a 10-step roadmap, talk about finding the right partner for the journey, and then wrap it all up with a final takeaway.
Okay, let's start with the vision. Why go through all the trouble of a complex integration like this? Well, it's all about creating a completely seamless ecosystem. The ultimate goal here is to get your e-commerce platform talking to your core business system, your ERP. When these two sides of the business are in constant communication, you can streamline your operations, manage resources way more effectively, and, this is the big one, deliver a much better experience for your customers.
So, to really get the integration, we first need to understand the players involved. I like to think of them as the engine and the brain of your digital business. So, let's meet them. On one side, you've got SAP Commerce Cloud. That's your customer experience engine. It's the digital storefront, the part your customers actually see and interact with. Then, on the other side, you have SAP S/4HANA, which is the intelligent business core. This is the brain, the command center, running all of your internal operations. Now, what's so cool about Commerce Cloud is that it's built for today's customer. It's not just a website. Its omni-channel capabilities mean your customer gets the same smooth experience whether they're on their phone, a laptop, or even in a physical store. It uses AI to personalize what they see, and it's built on a scalable cloud architecture, which is absolutely crucial for handling those massive traffic spikes during, say, a Black Friday sale.
And then on the back end, S/4HANA's real superpower is its real-time data processing. We're not talking about running reports overnight here. This is about getting instant insights so you can make decisions right now. It uses AI to automate a lot of the tedious stuff, which frees up your team for more important work, and it's designed to grow right alongside your business.
Okay, so we've got a powerful customer engine and an intelligent business brain. Now for the most important part. What actually happens when you connect them? What's the real payoff for your business?
Well, certain companies are going to feel the benefits in a huge way. Think about B2B businesses that are juggling massive product catalogs and super complex orders, or retailers who absolutely need that real-time inventory sync so they don't sell something they don't actually have. Any global organization trying to manage different regions, or any brand that's just laser-focused on personalization is going to see a massive advantage here.
The first, and honestly the most fundamental benefit, is seamless data exchange. When a customer places an order online, that info flows instantly to your warehouse. When your inventory gets updated, that data flows right back to the website. This real-time sync gets rid of errors, cuts down on duplicate work, and makes sure everyone is working from a single source of truth.
And that leads directly to the second benefit, a huge boost in efficiency. Things like order management, inventory updates, and invoicing can become almost completely automated. This doesn't just save time and prevent manual mistakes, it frees up your people to focus on things that actually add value, like improving the customer experience instead of just pushing data around. And here's where it all comes together for the person that matters most, the customer. Because the systems are connected, you can do things like offer dynamic pricing, show truly accurate stock levels, and give personalized recommendations based on real data. A customer can see, hey, only 3 left in stock, or get a precise delivery date. That kind of thing builds trust and just makes the whole experience better.
And finally, there's scalability. With an integrated system, growing your business gets a whole lot easier. Whether you want to add a new sales channel, like a mobile app, or expand into a new country, the foundation is already there to support that growth. You don't have to rebuild everything from scratch.
So, the benefits are pretty clear, right? But how do you actually do it? Let's walk through a high-level, 10-step roadmap that breaks this whole process down into a manageable game plan.
You can really think about these 10 steps in a few phases. First, there's the planning. You figure out your goals and check your systems. Then comes the technical part. setting up APIs, which are basically translators that let the two systems talk to each other. You'll also configure S/4HANA, map out your data, and use something called middleware, which is special software that acts as the bridge to connect everything. After that, it's all about rigorous testing. And then finally, you deploy, monitor, and keep optimizing.
Now, looking at that 10-step plan, it's pretty obvious this is not a simple weekend project. It's a complex undertaking, and the source material really emphasizes that one of the most important steps of all is choosing a reliable technology partner to guide you through it.
So, what should you look for? Well, you absolutely need a partner with deep experience in both platforms, not just one or the other. Look for a team of certified professionals and proof that they've handled global projects that have actually gone live. It's also a great sign if they've developed their own solutions. It shows they really know their stuff. And of course, make sure they have official certifications so you know they meet the highest standards.
We've covered the what, the why, and the how. So let's bring it all together for the final big takeaway. This quote from the source really just says it all, doesn't it? This integration isn't just some technical upgrade. It's a transformative business decision. It's about fundamentally changing how your company operates to become more efficient, more streamlined, and ultimately way more effective at giving your customers what they want. And that leaves us with one final question to think about. By connecting your customer-facing engine with your operational brain, you're not just integrating software, you're building a bridge. So the question is your business ready to build it? Thanks for joining me.